Ever wondered how your favorite apps magically send you SMS notifications or connect you with customer support without revealing a personal phone number? That's where Twilio phone numbers come in. They are virtual phone numbers that empower developers to build seamless communication experiences. These numbers aren't tied to a physical SIM card. Instead, they live in the cloud and are managed through the Twilio API. Think of them as digital aliases, allowing you to send and receive SMS messages programmatically or make and receive voice calls directly from your applications. To get started, you would navigate to the Twilio website and purchase a phone number. When your application needs to send a message, it uses the Twilio API to send a request, and Twilio delivers the message using the purchase number. Similarly, when someone calls the Twilio number, Twilio can forward that call to your application, enabling you to handle the call in customized ways. This is all possible through the Twilio API, a set of tools and protocols that make it easy for developers to integrate communication features without needing to manage complex telecom infrastructure. So ditch the traditional phone lines and embrace the power of virtual numbers. That's how Twilio numbers work, bringing communication capabilities directly into your applications. Explore the possibilities and start building.